Okay, so I have a 2017 Toyota Sienna, and one day I was driving, hit a piece of broken, torn off tire that was on the highway. Actually, I was avoiding it, and the vehicle in front hit it, and it kicked it in my way, and it broke the shield. Now the shield is useful because it helps with aerodynamics and prevents water from getting up in the engine. But when it breaks, it's something else you got to pay for, you got to locate. I went on toyotaparts.com, or I think parts.toyota.com. I'll put a link below. And actually, that link mightn't help you because this replacement shield was not available. I had to go on eBay and find a comparable one. So it's just plastic, but I'm not sure if it's the same quality of plastic. So this is the part I ended up getting. That's it there. Cover engine front, made in Taiwan. Alright, so before you start disconnecting anything, just make sure it fits up. So you just got to offer it up in the existing spot and make sure all the holes line up and so on, and it does. So I'm going to replace this and hopefully not hit anything else. Now there's a few bolts you need to remove throughout, so I'm just going to take them off and swap it out. I'll give you an update shortly. Okay, so the replacement part does not include these, so you also need to take these off. You could do so with a regular screwdriver, Phillips head, or just use a drill attachment. Alright, there's also some plastic clips that are on the shield in the back of it, which are over here. So I'm just going to see if I could use a plastic tool and get it out. Okay, there are also some of these fasteners in front. So I just took a screwdriver and just pry up this area here, and then took this tool and just put it in and pull on it. Right, I use the sharp angle. Right, and then the whole thing comes out like so. Right, so there's another one in front here. There's another one over here. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4 in front and a few in the back. Okay, so this is the old one. This is the new one. It looks like somebody did some work on this already. I purchased the vehicle pre-owned, so looks like somebody had put a screw in this. So maybe this has happened before, but you know, it's all torn up to pieces. You know, they probably hit something as well. To remove some of these bolts, you could also use a 10mm socket, especially in these hard places where I couldn't get to with the screwdriver. One thing to note is that for this piece, trim piece in the back here, it came with these small, these same size 10mm, but the washers were a bit smaller than the ones in front. See there, different sizes. So just keep that in mind. What I did, I just laid them in strategic positions, so I kind of know this one goes here, this one comes to the front, and this one comes to the end. So that way it's easy to keep track of. So I just need to reassemble it, and that should be it. While you're on the hair, just have a look, make sure everything looks all right on the hair. No drips or anything like that. And just close it, just do everything in reverse and you should be good. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.